Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the project and the libraries panel. Make sure your Altium version matches your team's libraries. First, choose where the component will live, a schematic library, the vault, or an external file, because that determines later linking. Once chosen, create a new library or open the existing one, then name the component logically so you can find it later. Make sure to set units in grid. Consistent units prevent footprint mismatches during placement. Now you build the component. Start the schematic symbol by adding pins, attributes, and a clear reference designator. Then switch to the PCB library to create the footprint. Place pads, silk, courtyard, and 3D body if needed, paying attention to pad sizes and spacing. Once both are ready, link symbol pins to footprint pads using the pin map. This mapping is critical so nets transfer correctly. If the part has multiple variants, define them here to avoid rework later. Finally, validate the component. Run the library validator and DRC to catch missing pins, overlapping pads, or naming mismatches. Once clean, save the library and either push the part to the vault or update the project libraries so you can place it. Insert the component into your schematic, compile the project, and verify that the PCB footprint links and net connections appear correctly. If things fail, check pin mapping first. Incorrect mappings cause most placement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.